In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show inbox categories in iCloud Mail. If your inbox has started to feel cluttered or you just don't see those helpful sections like primary or promotions anymore, this quick walkthrough will help you turn the category view back on in the browser version of iCloud Mail. We'll do everything on iCloud.com, so open your preferred web browser and head to iCloud.com/mail. Sign in with your Apple ID to get into your mailbox. Once you're in Mail, look over to the sidebar and find the gear icon, which is the Settings button. That's where the controls for categories live. From here, there are two simple possibilities. First, if categories are simply hidden, you'll see an option labeled Show Categories. Click that, and your categorized view will immediately return. This is the fastest path when the feature is active but not visible, and it brings back the familiar tabs across the top of your inbox. If you don't see show categories in that quick area, it likely means the feature is currently turned off. In that case, click Settings to open the full settings panel, then go to Categories. Inside that section, select Turn on Categorization. As soon as you enable it, the view will update and split your inbox into clear sections, making it much easier to scan what matters first. When categorization is on, your inbox is organized into four main groups. Primary holds your important messages, the ones you typically want to read and respond to right away. Transactions captures receipts, bills, and confirmations, so you can quickly find purchase details without digging. Updates includes notifications and alerts, such as service updates or status messages you may want to review but not necessarily act on instantly. Promotions collects ads, deals, and marketing messages, keeping them out of your primary view while still making them easy to browse when you're ready. If you don't see the categories appear right away after turning them on, try refreshing the page. Also, make sure you're viewing your main inbox and not a custom folder, since categories only organize the primary inbox. And if you ever need to revisit the setting, just return to the gear icon in the sidebar and open the categories section again. That's all it takes to bring back inbox categories in iCloud Mail. With just a couple of clicks, your messages are neatly grouped, helping you focus on what's important first and save the rest for later. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized inbox.